Hello there, welcome back. We've got a chocolate stout this morning from Brewery. It is from Vocation Brewery in Hebden Bridge in Yorkshire. It's from the Beer 52 Yorkshire case. Naughty and nice, a chocolate stout. 5.9%. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. What does it say on the tasting notes? I'll put that in. Enjoy it at 11C. Yeah, it's about that. As if I can tell my fingertips. It's been out of the fridge for 25 minutes. Tasting notes. This is a rich, dark and decidedly decadent chocolate stout. Uncompromisingly bold and chocolatey. It's a beer to sip and savour. For drinking in your favourite armchair and contemplating life. Coloured black, nose chocolatey, malts, extra pale, chocolate, jumbo oats, dark crystal, roasted barley. This is going to be full on, I think, yeah? So, let's crack it open. Cut my fingernails, so struggling. There we go. Wee bit smoke. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh my goodness. Chocolatey, very dark, like a really dark chocolate colour. We'll give it a wee bit ahead. Yeah. Inch, no, a finger ahead. Tight bubbles, dark, well, mid tan. Colour, it's opaque, it's black, but very, very, very dark brown. Chocolate, chocolate. And alcohol. You know what it's like, a chocolate liqueur it smells like. I used to work in Rowntree Macintosh chocolate factory in Newcastle. And I hated the smell of chocolate at the end of it. But although theirs isn't a very nice chocolate. It's Rowntree's now. Let's see how she drinks. Cheers, my dears. That's gorgeous. That is just chocolate, really malty, roasty. That's the best stout I've ever tasted. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh man. Right then, let's get on with our tasting notes from craftbeer.com. Colour and appearance. Let's have a wee look at the colour. Well, it's just very, very, very dark brown. It's not black, but it's between a 30 and a 40. The clarity, opaque. The colour of foam and head retention is none. Poor. Not none, it's poor, up to 15 seconds. The texture, yeah, is thin. Is there a wee bit of lacing with that? There is. There is. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. I'm going to say it's interrupted. No visual carbonation that I can see. The aroma, the hops. I don't know if there's hops in this. Does all beer have hops? I don't know. I got a couple of books this morning that I've started reading. The big one, I've not opened that yet. The Taste of Beer, a guide to appreciating the great beers of the world. Try to educate myself. And this one, stuff every beer snob should know. And that's quite a humorous. I've started with that. It's quite interesting. Anyway, hops, none that I can detect. The malt, well, the aroma, it's chocolate. Am I getting any coffee? I am. Roast, it's very roasty. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. The esters, I've no idea. Maybe plum or raisin, but that's phenol, no. I might get a bit of vanilla there actually. Flavour and aftertaste. The alcohol, you know, for an 5.9, I was going to say not detectable, I will say mild, very mild. Hop flavour, I'm not getting any in there. Hop bitterness, nothing. The malt, the taste, as I'm getting. The roast, the chocolate, that's the big thing, the chocolate. And the coffee. There's no smokiness or anything. Astringency is low. The body, it's quite a nice hefty body to it. It's quite mouth coating. Palate carbonation, there is some partially sparkling. The length is long, as you would expect. Balance and drinkability, desirable. Style, appropriate. It's a stout. That is my highest score yet was the fruitage, the Rodenbach. That was a 9.5. This is a 9.5. That's really up there. No such thing as a 10. That is gorgeous. I'm going to go online and order some. Vocation Naughty and Nice chocolate stout. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears. Oh man. Whew. That's so nice.